Is Windows failing to load because of the Secur32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Secur32, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Secur32. This library is the Security Support Provider Interface, SSPI wrapper. It manages the authentication handshakes for various security protocols like Kerberos and NTLM. It is critical for network logins and secure web browsing. If corrupted, Windows will fail to verify user credentials at the login screen, often resulting in an RPC Server Unavailable, or the security database on the server does not have a computer account error. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Secur32 is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run SFC/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Secur32 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online//cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Secur32.dll, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Secur32 dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Secur32 dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.